Hello, today I want to show you how to load one of the predefined screeners that we've saved of all the best strategies that you can find over here. All these strategies, we've created screens that you can quickly use to apply in your own portfolio. So firstly, you have to log into the screener. You can click here. I've already logged in, so I just go to my subscriptions, then I go to the screener. Once the screener is loaded, then you go to the screener, you go to load, you click on predefined screens, and if you scroll down here, I think the last count we have about 22 to 25 screens. Remember, if you scroll to the bottom, you have to click on more to see even more screens. For example, here's a deep value screen. Here's a short description about what it's all about. Here's the magic formula and momentum screen. I'll just show you if you click on it. Just click confirm to load. You can see the screen is loaded. You can see it over there. If you want to change the settings in the screen, for example, the countries that you want to include, or the minimum trading volume is 200,000 a day. Remember, it's in thousands. If these columns don't show what you want to, you can go to templates and go for a predefined template, and you can see there's a few templates that we already defined for you here. For example, go to the deep value template and you just load it. And then you can just change it as you want to. To change the columns, you can just click here. And then you can change the column, add valuation columns. Let's see. There's the magic formula rank. MF rank is magic formula ranking. So you click it, and there you can have you can sort the columns as well. And there you have it. That's how you load and use predefined screens in the screener.